The Hyundai Club Challenge, it's Hollywood, it's Beatlemania, it's everything that says celebrity on a square, a rectangular pitch of green. An extraordinary occasion. They roared here at the Telstra Stadium when Beckham came out for the warm-up. It's a man whose life has been measured in millions, but I think even he has been rocked by the reception he's been given here in Sydney. We welcome now our expert commentator for tonight's game. He'll be calling it with David Beckham, Kevin Muscat, the Melbourne Victory captain. You've played against Beckham at the highest level. You've beaten him at the highest level when Australia beat England on their turf. You know a bit about what this is like. Janino versus Beckham at this venue here. Who would have thought this would happen?
Yeah, I think we've got to realise how lucky we are here tonight. Not only have we got Janino, but we've got two actual genuine World Cup stars. And for Beckham to come out and embrace Australia like he has, I'm certainly looking forward to what goes on tonight.
What about on the pitch, Kevin? I mean, you've seen what it's like, the impact that Beckham has on the game just by his presence out there.
I think that's what it really does come down to. His presence is enormous, and I think that takes away from the rest of the players, the spotlight off them, if you like. And hopefully the boys can relax a little bit tonight. I'm talking about the A-League players, because hopefully we can see them get up on our counterparts from America. But hopefully it can be an entertaining game and a very competitive one as well.
His teammates have said that he's just an ordinary guy in the dressing room. He booked the same kind of hotel room that they were staying in here in Sydney, even though he had to take a private flight here because he was playing for England and they were coming from the United States. So, but it all comes down to the football for him. Even though he loves the celebrity, there's no doubt about that. It has to be here that he performs. That's his whole life.
I think it was well documented in an interview there that we just see. The fact that he can isolate the two incidents, two different scenarios, and actually plays football.
To be in their particular league as well. Kevin Muscat, thank you. Thanks to David Beckham for his contribution. A great call tonight. And thank you for joining us here at Telstra Stadium. We'll say goodbye for now.